Alright everyone, welcome back to our channel. What we're doing today, obviously we're peeling pears here. We have one pear tree, well we have several, but one that produces for us, and it's a kefir pear. Now if you know anything about kefir pears, they are hard as a rock. They're not your eating pears like you pick off the tree and eat. But these pears here, they're cooking pears. Great for that, fantastic. You can make sauces and stuff out of it, and that's what we're doing here. We're going to be making a pear sauce to put on our waffles and pancakes and things like that, and recipes, whatever. Normally, if you have enough of them, people they blanch them and just put them in cold water, and the skins peel right off that way. We were going to do that too, but we only have a 5-gallon bucket full that we got off that one tree, and it's really not worth setting up all that, the hot water, the ice and everything, just to, you know, to peel a few pears. So we got a 5-gallon bucket full. My wife washed them and cleaned them up real good, and we have them in the sink. And now we're just peeling the skins off, and it only takes a couple of minutes, if that even. Per pear, not even a couple of minutes, maybe less than a minute. And then we're going to cut them up and cook them, and we freeze them. We don't can them because, like I said, we don't really have enough to do a lot of canning. But we're going to freeze them, and then when we need them, we just take them out and use them that way. And the nice thing is, nothing goes to waste. All this and everything that we cut off out of here goes straight to our chickens. And they get to enjoy it too. So next I'm going to quarter them. Then we're going to take off all the bad parts out of them. So guys, we have 16 pounds of pears, cut up pears in this pressure cooker right here. So we're going to add some cinnamon. How much we're going to add?
3 teaspoons.
About 3 teaspoons?
2.
No, it's teaspoons, not tablespoons, right? Okay, teaspoons. So 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then what do we have here? Nutmeg? Mm-hmm. Nutmeg, we're going to add what, 2?
1.5.
1.5. And a little bit of
3 teaspoons
vanilla. 3 teaspoons, not a little bit.
And then 2 cups of water, right?
And about 2 cups of water we're going to put in there. Alright. Now we're going to plug this in, and we're going to set this for how long? About 10 minutes?
10, 15.
Roughly 10 minutes. We'll see how that works. All right, so this thing has been pressure cooking for 10 minutes, and then we let it sit and let the pressure release normally, like without releasing the pressure. So now pressure is out. I'm gonna open this thing. I'll take that off, yeah. Oh wow. I think it needs to be mixed because I can see the cinnamon.
There's tons of water. Juice. Cinnamon juice.
Okay, so we are dying to try some, just to see what it tastes like. You want to try first? It is extremely cooked, it's just falling apart.
Hot.
It's hot, huh? Yeah. Not too shabby. Okay, now we're gonna, I've seen people strain it, so we're gonna strain it, but we're gonna do it with the spoon itself, and we're gonna put it directly into a blender here, blend it up to a sauce. Now this has a lot of liquid in it, and we're gonna save the liquid for other things, and even to drink, because it's just water and its own natural juice. So yeah, so we're gonna start putting it in here. You want me to do it? You want to do it? Okay, she wants to do it.
I guess we could put less water.
Yeah, I'm really surprised that much water come out of them, because we put 2 cups. Remember, we had 16 pounds. This pressure cooker is a 14 quart, I'm pretty sure. So we only added 2 cups of water, and that's not much. It's done. Yeah, that is done.
Wow, nice and thick. Okay, and then you'll pull it off and then put it in the fridge or freezer.
So let's try a little bit mixed, because now we got all the spices mixed in there. You go ahead, go ahead. I'll try it a little bit. Save me some.
It's hot.
Oh, you want me to try this?
A little hot. Okay.
Oh yeah, fantastic.
I like the texture, thick.
And it's thick too. It's nice, yeah. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. That's what we do. We let these cool down a little bit, and we freeze them. I mean, if we had tons of trees, tons of pears, we'd probably end up canning them, of course. But for this, you know, we got probably enough to fill this halfway up, maybe. So we got another maybe 8 pounds, just say, of pears to do. We'll fill a bunch of these up. We'll put them in our freezer, and whenever we need them, we'll just take them out, let them defrost a little bit, and heat them up in a pan, and serve it over waffles and pancakes or whatever your heart desires. All right, guys. So I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in our next video.